Tori Belle Cosmetics. So this is an unboxing. This is the first time I'm trying this. This is by the same people who make the magnetic lash liner, the liquid liner, and magnetic false eyelashes. So this is Tori Belle Cosmetics, and let's take a peek. I'm gonna try it out. I'm scared. So this is supposed to be an easier way for lashes for people like me who just suck. And apparently who suck at opening things, because I can't do this. Oh, there we go. Okay. So we open it up. This is what it looks like. All right, so oh cool, you get a laptop sticker. Collector's edition. Thank you for becoming a founding member of Tori Belle Cosmetics. We are sending you 3 free gifts. Oh, cool. Awesome. Okay, so this is her. Yeah. Okay, how pretty is this? I feel like it's Christmas, right? All right, so let's just take all this out. Okay. For the most part. All right, this is what we get. Okay, so we get the Shake It Off Makeup Remover. Cool. And then these are the magnetic lashes. I'll show you more. This is the Magnitude Magnetic Eyeliner. And the Works. This is the Brow and Liner Kit for brows, lids, waterline, and tightline. Wow. All right. So, what I want to try out today, I'm going to try all the products, but this video is going to be strictly on the magnetic liner. Yeah, I can't talk right now. Magnetic liner and these beautiful lashes. Let's take a look at these. So we get the regular lashes right here, and then we also get singles, which is super cool. So these are all magnetic, and let's take a look at one of these. All right, so as you can see on here, see how the magnets are like super small? Like you can barely even tell. First of all, these lashes are also really, really, really soft. Yeah, and they're like a little bit shorter. I like more natural eyelashes when I'm wearing them, just because that's my personal preference. Everybody's different, but they do have different types. So, oh, how cool is that? It's just like magnetic on there. Ah, that's so awesome. All right. So let's go ahead and check this out. It says Using the included brush, apply a thin line of the magnetic eyeliner to the eyelid just above the natural lash line. Allow it to dry for 30 seconds. Repeat and allow to dry for 1 minute. When liner is tacky but not wet, hold lash with small magnets toward the eyeliner. Lash will magnetically connect to the eyeliner. Okay. Let's try it. Why is this not in focus? There we go. Oh. There we go. Much better. All right, so when I take it out of the packaging, this is how big it is. That's what it looks like. And that is what that looks like right there. So I suck at this, but let's you know, let's do it. A lot of people hate when people like pull their eye down like this, but I need to. So okay, and then we wait 30 seconds for it to dry. I'm gonna do the other side. And then let's go in again, because it says apply a second coat. And then wait a minute. Okay, let's see. Wait, dude, what? So the smaller ones in there are the anchors. Dude. Are we seeing this? Like, wait. Wait, what? Okay, let's check it out with the anchors. That's insane. No way. See? Like, what? This is mind-blowing to me. Okay, let's try out the no way. That's stuck too. And it holds it. Oh my god. So the anchors would be really good for someone like me because I have like smaller eyes. No. Like, what the hell? This is amazing. yeah. Like what? So I just need to practice like where I put the liner and stuff. I'm gonna go closer to my lash line, like almost like underneath here. Yeah. But like, dude. Wow. If you want to check them out and try them, link is in the description. Go get some. Next video, I'm going to be trying out all the other products and trying this again, doing the liner a different way. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. All right, so I'm using the remover. Pop the top off like that. I'm going to put a Q-tip right there. And then let's see. I think I got, oh, yeah, but there we go. Oh yeah, that's coming off. Oh wow. It literally takes all of it off. Wow. Okay. Easy peasy, guys. Totally cool.